Hi, thank you for joining me today. Today I'll be sharing on due diligence in business deals, investment. So, what is a due diligence? In simple terms, due diligence is just a background check. So, today I'm just going to focus on due diligence if it involves investment. So, if you are investing in a business or you're buying shares in a company, likewise, you're receiving some investment money from an investor or partner. This you should be listening to this. So this due diligence in business deals, I'll focus on investments. So if you are investing into a company, buying shares in the company, or receiving investment or receive funds from a partner or third person or investor, this is the uh, you should be tuning into this. So due diligence is just simply a method of background check. It's just a background check. So you need to know uh, what the company you're investing. You need to know where the money is coming from if you're receiving investment. So what are the few reasons why you really need to do a due diligence? One is to weed out the scammers. So we always hear about all the scammers. Unfortunately, so once you do due diligence, you know whether this person is who he is or this company is doing that type of business. So you weed out the scammers. So another one is anti money laundering laws. So when a company receives money for investment, that money must be from legitimate businesses. So a company cannot say they did not know, especially if they did not do due diligence. So if you're dealing with a person which is, you know, a suspicious person, you a person who doesn't really have a job or business but suddenly have millions, those are certain things that your lawyers will advise you. People you need to know to do a due diligence to find out where the money comes from, because once the money comes into your company, anti money laundering laws will come into effect and disrupt your business. So next is transparency. So it's more clear who you're dealing with. Um, Fourth is hidden liabilities. If you are buying shares in a company, investing in a Standard Berhad, you are also getting their liabilities. So you cannot say that I did not know. This did not happen during my time. This was done by previous directors, previous shareholders, previous owners. You can't say that. So you need to. This is one of the biggest things of due diligence. You need to find out what are the hidden liabilities. And lastly is the true value. So once you've done the true due diligence, you get access to documents. You will know the true value of the company, and also whether it's worth investing a particular sum into a company. So these are just, of course, this topic is really huge, due diligence, but this is just an introduction. Especially if you're, like I said, if you are investing or receiving investment, please do due diligence. Due diligence, in simple terms, is just a background check, legal background check. So please consult your lawyers before you commit into any business deals. So if you have any questions, you can email me or speak to your lawyer, or leave a comment whether you're watching it on Facebook or YouTube. So thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.